Hello friend, hope you all fine today talking about a best platform where you can earn lot of income. So friend, let's start the video. Crypto Science. Based trusted crowdfunding platform. Based trusted from online platform and website in us for one raising of social charity movie music personal and creative cause. You all are welcome to Crypto Science. Talk about us of the platform. Welcome to Crypto Science. Introducing a new technology of making money. It is authorized as based program, which is latest, fully automated, and highly secure with latest technology. Our highly educated and skilled developers are managing and upgrading this program company running its all servers and services from United States having multiple branches in the world to provide powerful customer support and services. Crypto Science is not only a company, is a smart system developed by extraordinary developers. Talk about mission and vision. To encourage people for passive income. Our mission to create opportunity for every individual to fulfill their dreams. We achieve our dreams easily through teamwork. Crowdfunding is the practice of funding a project or venture by raising money from a large number of people, typically via the internet. You can see the roadmap. Events. Coming to the joining amount is only $25. With a small amount of investment you can get huge amount of benefit. Now you will get 8 type of income. Global pool bonus, smart unilevel bonus, team building bonus, distribution of your income, community development bonus, crypto science lucky draw bonus, super money back bonus, performance reward bonus, crypto science royalty bonus. Talk about global pool bonus. Just join $25 and earn more money. 100% non-working income. In silver rank top-up is for $25. Get $126 income. In gold rank upgradation is for $46. Get $630 income. In platinum rank upgradation is for $106. Get $1,890 income. In diamond rank upgradation is for $196. Get $3,780 income. In blue diamond rank upgradation is for $376. Get $7,560 income. Total you can earn up to total $13,986. Note $16 distribution of your every re-top up and upgradation in smart unilevel bonus. You will earn unlimited income again and again. Discuss about the silver rank. There are 6 levels. 1 cent level with 2 member team you will get income of $1 from each and your income will $2. Into ND level with 4 member team you will get income of $1 from each and your income will $4. In 3 RD level with 8 member team you will get income of $1 from each and your income will $8. In 4 ETH level with 16 member team you will get income of $1 from each and your income will $16. In 5 ETH level with 32 member team you will get income of $1 from each and your income will $32. Condition is re-top up need. In 6 ETH level with 64 member team you will get income of $1 from each and your income will $64. Condition is gold upgrade need. Total you will get income of $126 fully non-working income. Same way from gold rank you will get income of $630 as per the chart condition will apply. From platinum rank you will get $1,890 income as per the chart condition apply. From diamond rank you will get income of $3,780 as per the chart condition apply. From blue diamond rank you will get income of $7,560 as per the chart condition apply. Talk about the booster pool. Will get income of $30. You can buy one time in a single day. Talk about the smart unilevel bonus. In 1 cent level you will get smart unilevel bonus of $8. From 2 ND level you will get smart unilevel bonus of $4. From 3 RD level you will get income of $2. From 4 ETH level you will get income of $1. From 5 ETH level you will get income of $1. So your total income will $16. 1 direct is required at every level. Talk about the team building bonus. In 1 cent level you will get team building bonus of 30%. Into ND level you will get bonus of 25%. In 3 RD level get bonus of 20%. In 4 ETH level you will get bonus of 15%. In 5 ETH level you will get bonus of 10%. Total you will get 100% team building bonus. Deducts 10% upon withdrawal and distribute 100% team believe bonus up to 5 at level. Talk about community development bonus. Condition is after you when your 5 direct members sponsor 25 direct. Company will take $2 from every new ID and distribute total collected amount within a week as royalty bonus among all royalty achievers. 1 direct is required on every closing that 2 from other leg. Crypto Science Lucky Draw Bonus Company will take $1 from every new ID and give 7 lucky winners every week. Note, you can win 7-time lucky draw after participate every week. Talk about Super Money Back Bonus. In silver package amount is $100, you will get 1% daily profit. Up to 600 days, your total profit will $600. Same way in gold package $200, you will get $1,200 in 600 days. In platinum package $500, you will get total income of $3,000. In diamond total income will $6,000. Same way see the full chart as per the chart you will get your income. You will get 5% sponsor income on selling any package of Super Money Back Bonus. The source of income of this platform is forex trading, share market, game gambling and stock market. Talk about performance reward bonus. If you do total team business of $300 you will get reward of $30. If you do total team business of $1,500 you will get reward of $150. If you do total team business of $3,000 you will get reward of $300. If you do total team business of $15,000 you will get reward of $1,400. See the full chart as per the chart you will get your income. Note total team business equal 3-leg matching compulsory. After archive 6 at reward bonus then become regional manager. After archive 7 at reward bonus then become regional director. After archive 8 at reward bonus then become regional CEO. Talk about Crypto Science royalty bonus. In regional manager you will get $1,000 monthly. In regional director you will get $1,000 weekly. In regional CEO you will get $1,000 daily. Note you will get royalty bonus $1,000 every month. You will get royalty bonus $1,000 every week. You will get royalty bonus $1,000 daily whole life after become regional CEO. See the double royalty achiever. They all qualify, you can also qualify. See the royalty achiever. They all qualify, you can also qualify. See all of them next your chance. Talk about terms and condition. www.cryptoscience.world. All income will release after 10% admin fee deduction. Minimum withdrawal is $20.